One of the best family-oriented B&B in Kenting. The interior design is amazing, tastefully decorated with rare hinoki wood from Taiwan. The staff were professional and friendly. Our room was upgraded to the room that's accessible via lift, since we have a pregnant lady with us. Highly recommended. One of best in Taiwan, spacious and clean room with beautiful sea view. Nice and simple Taiwanese breakfast along with few selection of bread and cereals aside. One of the best stay we had in Taiwan. Nice hotel, really good hotel, feel the nature. I like their room and breakfast so much. I have visited twice. Amazing hotel with highly professional customer-oriented staff. I've really enjoyed my stay. The room is new, spacious and clean. The hotel staff is very friendly and customer-oriented. Highly recommended this hotel to anyone. Will definitely come again. Exceptional Bay Forest staff was wonderful. The breakfast was amazing and the location and grounds are simply beautiful. Exceptional. This is more than a hotel. Must stay for the experience. Staff are super welcoming and accommodating. Perfect for families or groups. Breakfast and snacks were amazing. The rooms are very spacious. Facility is excellent if you like privacy. Excellent. Best stay in Kenting. Clean and spacious room with very good breakfast. Enjoyed my 2-night stay with the resort. Staff were friendly and helpful. Love the comfort of the super king-size bed and the good shower. Definitely will stay again when I visit Kenting. Exceptional, brilliant all round. Beautiful, clean, quiet, resort-like, with great service. As the title says, splendid experience. Nice hotel. The room is so big and clean, and the view is beautiful, the staff very helpful and nice.